friends, I am Kalyani from Little Sunflower School, Birmingham. Get my facility.
Tell, what are you going to make?
I'm making a mask to protect yourself from coronavirus.
Where did you get the mask from? How did you make it? From what? Paper or a cloth?
Paper.
Where did you get the paper from?
I just found it somewhere.
Okay.
In a black box.
And what did you do with that paper?
We cut it. Make a mask. And
Yes.
then we put some glue on it. And then rubber bands on the top.
Of the?
And then the arm. And then finish.
Okay. And what are you going to do now?
I'm colouring in it.
Explain what you are doing. Don't be quiet.
I'm colouring in.
Very good. With what color? Maitreyi? What's Chichi doing?
Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby. Yes, I know.
What color is Chichi using now?
Pink. We start blue then, and then pink, and then we're going to choose black. I'm not. I'm going to choose something else. I need colours. Do you want blue or yellow or green? I've already choose blue. Do you want green? Do you want yellow? Do you want yellow? What? Just blue? Which colour then? You say you want yellow. No, I didn't. You say you love yellow. Just there.
That looks very good, Kalyani.
And it looks a rainbow. So, don't forget your spine. Don't forget your spine. I haven't finished yet.
Okay. Maitreyi, what is your favorite color?
Purple and pink.
And Kalyani, what do you like most?
Blue. Finished.
Very good.
Can I see the video?
And how do you fit this mask? Show how do you fit it?
Huh?
Yeah, very good. Slow.
Can I see?
Very good. And how do you fit it on my tray?
Maybe it's a bit too tight.
It's alright.
I've got another one here for style, style. And I've got another one as well.
Okay.
Cool. Put like this and I just do it.
Put it.
And where did you get this idea from?